Another example of long division with polynomials here. Example 1b. Let's do x to the third plus 4x squared minus 5 divided by x minus 2. Okay, and just like before, whatever comes first goes underneath my division bar. This x minus 2 is going to go up front. There might be something you notice here though. Underneath, I have my x to the third, I have my 4x squared. I don't have an x term though. So really, I want to rewrite this. I want to have a placeholder. Anytime we are missing a term, we need to rewrite this so that we have a placeholder, okay? So you could just rewrite this in your notebooks. I'm going to rewrite this to the side. I really want this to be x to the third plus 4x squared plus 0x minus 5. I need to have, I can't be missing any terms in the middle, I guess. And that goes for if I have something underneath my division bar or if you have something in the front. If we're missing any terms in the middle, we need to have 0x in this case. We need to have 0, whatever the exponent of our variable is. But then like before, I really need to look at this x here. X times what gives me x to the third? Well, x times x squared. And since I have x squared, I'm going to write it. So my x squareds line up. X squared times x is x to the third. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. And then we subtract straight down. X to the third minus x to the third, those cancel. 4x squared minus negative 2x squared is a positive 6x squared. Bring our next term down. X times what gives us 6x squared? Well, x times 6x gives me 6x squared. 6x times negative 2 is negative 12x. Subtract down. My 6x squareds cancel out. 0x minus negative 12x is positive 12x. And then we bring our next term down. X times 12 times positive 12 gives me 12x. And 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. Subtract down 12x minus 12x, those cancel. Negative 5 minus negative 24 is positive 19, and we have a remainder here, right? So how I want to write this, similar to what I did up at the top when I had a remainder, when we had 309, remainder 3. 309 and 3 over what we divided by. Now in this case, since we have polynomial, where each term has addition in between, I'm going to do something similar. I have x squared plus 6x plus 12, and then I'm going to add 19 over what we divided by. And that is my final answer. X squared plus 6x plus 12 plus 19 over x minus 2.